Bresson is married to a wonderful photographer, Martin Frank. Martin had photographed on Torrey Island, which is a little island off the Irish coast, and photographed somebody called James Dixon, who was a painter, naive painter there. And I had about 3 paintings by James Dixon, because I'd also been to Torrey Island and photographed. And I said, okay, well, why don't we swap, we swap the painting for a picture by Bresson and a picture by you, Martin. So I got 2 pictures for the painting. So the pictures arrived, and I've got the 2 pictures, a wonderful, wonderful picture by Martin Frank. And then this appeal, because it's perhaps one of my favourite painters, and photographed by one of my favourite photographers. And then later, after Henri had died, I got a thing, just an envelope, can you imagine, through the post. And it's from Martin, and it's another one of the same picture. But it's got a bend in the corner. And she said, I do actually have the note, which is even more charming. And basically the note says that discovered this picture, it had obviously been damaged, and Henri had realised it was damaged. Therefore he had another print made, because he didn't make his own prints ever. They were always made in the same people. And so I thought you might like this as well. It's a beautiful portrait. It's everything for me that a portrait should do, you know.